Good morning, my magnificent scientists. All right, so I just wanted to show you what to do for your assignment today. I have posted Monday science experiment. So you're going to click on that, and then it shows up your two assignments. So right here it says watch my demonstration on my YouTube channel and fill out the assignment on STEMscopes. So here's my demonstration on my YouTube channel, and then this is STEMscopes. It says you must complete the drawing and question 1 in part 1. You must complete the drawing in part 2 and question 1 in part 2. So we're going to take a look at that. So first of all, I'm going to open up the video. So this is the video that I made. You're going to watch that. You're also going to open up STEMscopes. So let me take it back to the way you would see it. So this is where your assignments are. It's going to be this one that says Explore 1 Activity Disturbing Water. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to open the actual activity. So right here, this is the drawing in part 1. It says record your observations as you drop water onto the surface of the water in the pan. So Miss Breslin does that for you in the video. So once I drop that water into the pan, you're going to draw right here what you see. Draw an illustration of what happens on the surface of the water. So you could take your paintbrush and paint something in there. What I might do, I'm going to take that back, is put this circle in there. So I have a perfect circle for the pan. And then I don't want it to be black because the pan's not black. It's like silver. And then I can draw another circle inside there. Draw a smaller one. And turn that blue for the water. And put that inside the pan. And then I could start drawing what I see when Miss Breslin drops the water in there, okay? You don't have to do that. That's just a suggestion of what you could do. If I want to get rid of it, I just click on it and then press delete or backspace. So this is one that you have to fill out. And then you have to answer this question. What happened when you dropped water into the pan? And so you're going to type your answer right here. When Miss Breslin dropped water into the pan, I saw. That would be a good sentence starter for you. Okay, so you're going to continue watching the video until we get to part 2, which is down here. And then in part 2, you're going to draw an illustration again of what you see. And I tell you in the video to go ahead and pause and draw that illustration. And then you're going to answer this question. What direction did the clump of glitter move? So we've been talking about this for a week. So it's important that we know that a wave is energy traveling. And when there's an object there, the object bobs up and down. The wave doesn't actually move the object. It just bobs up and down as the energy passes through it. So I kind of gave you the answer there, but that's okay. So those are the 2 things that you need to fill out per section. And then again, you're going to be watching this video in order to see that. So a lot of this is set up in case you wanted to conduct this experiment yourself. And then I put glitter in there, and then I drop water in there so you can see what happens. Okay? If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on Google Classroom, or you can email me or message me on Class Dojo. Okay? Have a good day.